Now grooming, everyone says a grooming needs to be done. What the industry require and what's the gap? We read very often in the newspaper that many of the students are not employable. That means how the employability index just can be increased, or how we can make the student really industry ready. That is very important. So in Jaipuria Group, we interact a lot with the industry, try to know what is required in the industry to a specific sector. We train students on a regular basis. If in the MBA domain, if we find that the communication skills, presentation skills, attitudinal problem are very important, we do take care of them, because unlike in the engineering domain, in the MBA space, your communication and presentation skills are a very vital role. Your domain knowledge has to be there, your conceptual clarity has to be there. So what we do here is train the students so that they are right fit into the organization. Now very often a student takes finance and marketing, but it's not clear where the student wants to go. So for that, we have tied up with some of the good corporates like KPMG, Axis Bank, Genpact, where we do a course certification program with them. The course content is given by the company. In the second year, the student takes that particular course as one of the electives, and when the company comes, they evaluate based on those particular criteria, and then they have the first right to select the students. We started a special program about 3 years back known as Individual Development Plan. Now this was each and every individual mapped on particular competencies required by the industry. Now what were those set of competency? Academic activity is one of them. There are many other attributes. For this IDP, we got people from the industry to evaluate an individual student, and based on that we made separate cluster, that this cluster required this specific training, and we gave them training from those people who are passionate. Other than the academics people, we brought in trainers who were a part of the team members, who ultimately, whether it was etiquette manners, whether it was a dressing sense, whether it was a proper CV presented to an organization, so all these things were done. So our intention is that in the Jaipuria Group, that we give to the industry what the industry desires, and after a very small orientation program, the student should have a mindset of getting aligned with the company's working.